Part 5. The last day of the year. Learn English through story.
Reflecting on the year, as the year ends, I sit by my window, reflecting on everything that has happened. There were moments of joy, sadness, and learning. I think about the goals I achieved and the challenges I faced. Each memory feels like a page in a book, and I'm grateful for the story it has created. I look forward to writing a new chapter next year.
Counting down together. As the final seconds of the year tick away, we count down together 10, 9, 8. The anticipation grows with each number. When we reach 1, the room erupts with cheers, hugs, and happiness.
Celebrating with music. Our house is filled with music on the last day of the year. We play our favorite songs, dance, and sing along. Music adds energy and joy to the celebration.
A quiet moment alone. Before the celebrations begin, I spend a quiet moment alone. I close my eyes and take deep breaths. This pause helps me center myself and prepare for the excitement of the night. Remembering loved ones. I take a moment to remember loved ones who are no longer with us. Thinking about them makes me feel connected and reminds me of the love they brought into my life.
Setting intentions. The last day of the year is perfect for setting intentions. I choose one word to guide me in the new year, like growth or kindness. This word becomes my focus and inspiration.
Watching New Year's Eve shows. We gather around the TV to watch New Year's Eve shows. The performances, interviews, and countdowns keep us entertained. It's a fun way to pass the time until midnight.
Writing letters to myself. On the last day of the year, I write a letter to my future self. I describe how I feel now and what I hope to achieve in the next year. Reading it a year later is always a surprise and a gift.
Midnight toast. When the clock strikes 12, we raise our glasses and toast to the new year. We clink our glasses and shout, "Happy New Year!" It's a moment filled with joy, laughter, and hope.
A walk down memory lane. I spend the last day of the year looking through old photos and videos. Each image reminds me of a story, a moment, or a person that shaped my year. This trip down memory lane fills me with nostalgia and gratitude. Family traditions. On the last day of the year, we follow special family traditions. We wear our favorite outfits, eat lucky foods, and watch our favorite movie. These small rituals make the day feel meaningful and bring us closer together.
Watching fireworks. The last day of the year wouldn't be complete without fireworks. As the clock strikes midnight, the sky lights up with colorful bursts. The loud booms and sparkling lights make me feel excited and alive. It's the perfect way to start the new year.
Saying goodbye to regrets. I take a moment to say goodbye to my regrets. I think about the mistakes I made and forgive myself. Letting go of these feelings makes me feel lighter and ready to move forward. The last day of the year is a chance to start fresh.
Cooking a feast, the kitchen is alive with delicious smells on the last day of the year. My mom cooks her special dishes, and I help by chopping vegetables. The feast is our way of celebrating the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. Sharing this meal feels like a celebration of love and togetherness.
Gratitude list. Before the year ends, I write a gratitude list. I thank the universe for my family, friends, and the lessons I learn it. Even the hard times have taught me something valuable. Listing everything I'm grateful for fills my heart with warmth and positivity.
Preparing for midnight. The excitement builds as the clock ticks closer to midnight. We prepare snacks, drinks, and party hats. My little brother tests the noisemakers, filling the house with silly sounds. Everyone is buzzing with energy, ready to welcome the new year with a big cheer.
A day with friends. Spending the last day of the year with friends is my favorite way to celebrate. We share memories, laugh at old jokes, and talk about our hopes for the future. Being surrounded by people I love reminds me of how lucky I am.
Watching the sunset. I always make time to watch the last sunset of the year. The sky turns orange and pink, and it feels magical. It's a quiet moment to say goodbye to the year. As the sun dips below the horizon, I think about the beauty of endings and new beginnings.
Writing New Year's resolutions. On the last day of the year, I sit with my notebook and write my resolutions. I want to exercise more, read 10 books, and learn to cook a new dish. Writing down these goals gives me hope and excitement. Even if I don't achieve them all, the act of dreaming big feels inspiring.
Cleaning the house, the last day of the year is all about fresh starts, and cleaning the house is part of our tradition. My family and I dust, sweep, and organize everything. It feels like we're clearing away the past to make room for the future. By the end of the day, the house sparkles, and we feel refreshed and ready for the new year.
Thank you. Like and follow for more English videos.